Managing your finances could be so obligated like a full-time job, with many decisions to decide and techniques to learn. But money management isn't so complicated if you look at the big picture. If you have a plan for how you spend and save your money, your finances should take care of themselves. And you should be safe financially. And that happens by making smart money moves. But what are the best rules for money management? Just listen to these 4 money rules, and you'll be on the path to financial freedom. Number 4. Pay yourself first. Many people plan to save, but simply never get around to it. Most of them said they simply hadn't had the time to set up a savings plan. Even if you have good intentions, unexpected expenses suddenly appear and empty your pocket. Most of the workers live paycheck to paycheck, leaving little chance for savings. But if you pay yourself first, saving money will automatically happen. Money can be withdrawn directly from your paycheck and invested in a retirement account or your savings account. You'll never spend the cash that you should be investing. Experts recommend spending around 80% of your income and saving the rest. Number 3. Manage your savings. You need to split your savings into 2 different ways. First, saving for investments. Second, saving for emergencies. You have to be prepared for any emergency of any kind. Car crash, getting sick, losing a job. Anything that would happen suddenly out of your plan. Managing an emergency account will save your investment saving plan from being corrupted. Number 2. Spend according to a budget. A budget helps you to spend carefully by determining where you decide your money to go. You can avoid unnecessary expenses and be smart about your spending by having a budget. Number 1. Manage your debts. You have to make a plan to get rid of your debts. First thing to do is to stop increasing your debts. Whatever the reasons that make you forced to have a debt, those reasons have to disappear to control the amount of your debts. Second, you have to make a schedule and split your debts into small amounts that you can easily pay back during a certain period of time. These are the 4 rules that will help you to manage your money. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.